Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about some of the major terms of molecular biology. So let's start from a human body, and we're going to start from you. So this is you, and we all know that your body contains trillions of cells, nearly 40 trillion cells. And if you don't mind, let me just grab one cell from you and use it as the cell model of this video. Your cell is composed of a cell membrane, a nucleus, and that's what we're gonna focus on. And we have also different organelles in the cytoplasm. So let's focus on the nucleus. It is composed of a nucleolus in the center and fine threads called chromatins with N. We're gonna talk about chromatins later, but let's just say for now that we have also chromosomes inside the nucleus. In human, each cell normally contains 23 pairs of chromosomes, for a total 46 chromosomes. 22 of these pairs are called autosomes, and they look the same in both males and females. The last one pair called 6 chromosomes, and they differ between males and females. Males have one copy of X chromosome and one copy of Y chromosome, while females have 2 copies of X chromosome. Let's take a look at the main structure of a chromosome. Each chromosome has a constricted point called the centromere. It divides the chromosome into 2 arms, the short arm of the chromosome, or the P arm, and the long arm of the chromosome, or the Q arm. At the end of the chromosome, there are structures called telomeres. And their main functions are to maintain chromosomal stability and prevent chromosomal degradation. And these are called sister chromatids. They are just 2 identical copies of the same chromosome. Please pay attention to the D in chromatids and the N in chromatins. We said earlier that the nucleus is composed of a nucleolus and chromatins. We didn't say chromosomes. And the reason for that is that chromosomes are not visible when the cell is not dividing. So these fine threads in the nucleus are chromatins, which are composed of DNA, RNA, and proteins. So chromatins are the uncondensed form of chromosomes, and the DNA that makes up chromosomes becomes more tightly packed during cell division, which makes chromosomes visible under the microscope. But that's only during cell division. But how exactly does it become packed? That will be explained in a different video. So now you know the difference between chromatids, chromatins, and chromosomes. Let's get back to this point. Now we have a chromosome. It contains hundreds to thousands of genes that are arranged along the length of the chromosome. So these are genes. And these genes are segments of large molecules. We call them macromolecules. These macromolecules are DNA molecules that contain the codes for a specific protein that functions in the cell. So to sum up, DNA is a sequence of nucleotides that forms genes, while genes are DNA sequences on a chromosome that gives certain traits. So we can say that genes act as instructions to make proteins, and these genes are the basic physical and functional unit of heredity, while chromosomes are packages of genes. There's also one important term you need to be familiar with, which is the genome. You should know the difference between genes and genome. The genome is all DNA contained in the cell. Including both nucleic DNA and mitochondrial DNA. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you would like to watch more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll answer them all. Goodbye and see you in the next video.